Wow, what's in this big box? Whoa, look, what a surprise! Wow, it's a super cool yellow excavator. Let's take it out for an adventure. Vroom, vroom. Awesome! What's next? It's a big blue bulldozer, so strong. Let's see it go up the ramp. Go, bulldozer, go! Now it's driving on a long, winding road. Whee! Time to pick another toy. It's a green cement mixer. Let's get to work. Spin, spin, spin. Look at this bumpy bridge. Wow! Now it's climbing up the big boxes. You can do it! Let's see what's next. A big red crane truck. Look how long that crane is. So cool. Let's see it drive over the bridge. It's lifting the dump truck. Heave ho! Good job, Mr. Crane. Time for our next friend. It's a classic yellow dump truck. Beep, beep. Let's follow the road signs. And now into the tunnel we go. Okay, let's see what's in here. It's a forklift, ready to lift all the heavy things. Let's go clean up this mess. Vroom! Now the forklift is driving through a city made of boxes. What's this one? A road roller. Time to make the road nice and flat. Let's roll. Squish, squash. And now for a super big jump. Whoa! Great job, everyone!
I dig the ground, scoop, scoop, scoop. I'm the excavator. Whoop, 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 woo. I push the dirt strong and slow. I'm the bulldozer. Go, go, go. Woo, woo, woo. I spin around, mix concrete. I'm the mixer. Beat, beat, beat. Woo, woo, woo. I lift up high, way up tall. I'm the crane truck. Don't let it fall. I carry loads and tip, tip, tip. I'm the dump truck. Flip, flip, flip. Woo, 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 woo. I lift up boxes up and down. I'm the forklift. Round and round. Woo, woo, woo. I roll the road smooth and neat.